Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to fix Instagram DM glitch. Let's go. Instagram direct message glitch can be frustrating, but with a few simple steps you can resolve the issue and get your DMs working properly again. First of all, open up the Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down a bit and tap General. After that, tap iPhone Storage. Then scroll down and find the Instagram app. Now tap on it, and then tap Offload app. Offloading the app removes it from the device, while keeping its documents and data intact. Then tap Reinstall app. Reinstalling the app. After offloading it, ensures that you install a fresh copy free from any potential corrupted files or bugs that might have caused the DM glitch. By performing this process, you give the app a clean slate to work with, which can often resolve technical issues. Once you've done that, exit the Settings app and open up the Instagram app. Then tap on the profile picture icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on these three lines at the top right. After that, scroll down until you see an option called Account Type and Tools. Tap on it. Then tap Switch to Professional Account. Now tap Continue to all these. Then select any category you like, it does not matter. After changing your account to a professional one, you need to switch it back to a personal account. To do that, tap on these three lines at the top right. Now scroll down a bit and tap Business Tools and Controls. Then tap Switch Account Type, and then tap Switch to Personal Account. Once you have successfully switched back to a personal account, the Instagram direct message glitch should be resolved and you should be able to send and receive messages without any issues. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.